Bahrain mein. How do you feel about an Eid celebration going on? Please tell something about it.
We would like to wish a special Eid Mubarak to the Bahrain team, to Sana, her family, her team members, and a special farewell. And hopefully they come back with a win for Bahrain. It's a proud moment for all of us as a family. We are very happy to be visiting with all the family at this special occasion for us. So we'd like to farewell for
Have
all
you
the
ever
family.
played cricket or you know the cricket? What is cricket?
So I was born and raised in Bahrain, so I played cricket all my life as well. So we are especially congratulating Sana for her team efforts and what she's accomplished as a vice captain. So we are very proud of her as a family.
Pakistan,
Pakistan Zindabad.
Bahrain.
Bahrain Zindabad.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज।